This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always retain your previous session on the Zen Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen Web Browser opened up now. To always retain your previous session, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. If you have your left side pane open like you see mine is, you'll find the three-dot menu up in your upper left-hand corner. If you have your side pane closed, you'll find the three-dot menu up in the upper right-hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings. Click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to make sure you're on the General tab. And then in the center pane, under Startup, you want to make sure this top one is checked. Open previous windows and tabs. I have the top two checked, continue where you left off, and open previous windows and tabs. Then that is how you retain your previous session on the Zen Web Browser. Thanks for watching.